Hello, I'm Drew from Greenhse, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about high bay lights. High bay lights are perfect for large spaces with tall ceilings, such as warehouses, factories, gyms, and even retail stores. Greenhouse high bays pump out over 160 lumens per watt, which basically means brighter light, less power, and cheaper bills. They also have different beam angles, so your every need is covered. A 90 degrees beam angle is perfect for higher ceilings from 5 to 8 meters because the beam is more focused. But on the other hand, you have a 120 degrees beam angle, which is perfect from lower ceilings from 3 to 6 meters because it has a wider spread of light. Inside, you've got a Sozen driver, which has had 0 failures in over 6 years. If you look closely, you can see the high quality LED chips, which allow you to change from a cool white to a warm white in temperature. And don't forget about the engineered lens, which projects clean, bright light far and instantly. No flicker, no warm up. With smart control options and IP65 weather resistance, these things are built to perform and to last. These are two of our high bay models at Greenhse. The smaller one is 100 watts, 120 degrees, while the bigger one is 200 watt, 90 degrees. I'm going to put them on for you, but I'm just warning you, they're very bright. Are you tempted by those DOB lights? Well, don't be. They might save you a few bucks up front, but in the long run, they're less efficient, they fail quicker, and let's be honest, they just don't look as good. Now here's the kicker. Replacing the cheaper alternatives is a pain. It's time consuming, it's costly, and frankly, you don't want to be doing it every year. That's why the Greenhse high bays are rated for 50,000 plus hours, even in the harshest environments. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, information, and products, go check out the Greenhse website at greenhse.com.